Deepraj Debbarma's body, who died in bus accident at Khorang area of Assam's Dima Hasao district while going to appear for Tripura cooperative examination, was finally brought to the state on Friday morning. Family members of Deepraj Debbarma burst out in tears after his body was brought home. As it is known that Tripura Cooperative Bank recruitment exam was being held at different parts of Assam and many candidates has to go for appearing the exam in the Assam state. But tragedy struck in the Dima Hasao district as a night bus en route from Agartala to Guwahati bearing registration AS01NC0243 met with a devastating accident at Ditokchara around midnight on Wednesday. The accident resulted in the loss of one passenger's life and left 30 others injured. Name of the deceased was Deepraj Debbarma. At last, his dead body was brought to his hometown at Kamalpur, Maharani area on Friday morning. Family members of Deepraj Debbarma burst out in tears after his body was brought home. When the dead body of Deepraj Debbarma was brought home, MDC Dhirendra Debbarma, YTF Secretary James Debbarma and other YTF members were present. Maharaja Pradut Kishore Debbarma and MDC Dhirendra Debbarma helped to bring back the body of Deepraj Debbarma home from Silchar Medical College Hospital.
Actually, खामानि बागै जों जतन साइमान खा जे थानाय 1 तारिखआव त्रिपुरा हास्टेलनि गोबांमा Chini youth rock Tripura State Cooperative Bank ni job ni bagui exam renan hine brok Assam hostel thanglajak night super bai aro thangai brok Dima Hasao hai jagao accident ungma jagao khobor manmani ubulo kubangma borok jani jak comment to khlailayo jotona khaito khairo jaglayo haifano yapri sikang barok nalei Kebo buri abani bagai Chini bubagra maya ganang bubagra o step naharka step nahamna pore loge di boro phone khai horka je o isunoti cheroi nainani bagai le loge ang ani takuk James Chini YTF ni bobo tongo loge tai Chini Unukuti district ni YTF president Onukul Debbarma bobo tongo chung khoroktam no lamur laika Lamrulai mani pore chung hodibor prai 12 12:30 thangsoleka Silchar Medical Hospital aro thangai chung Chini takok Deepraj Debbarma bonoto chung maruglia bini postmortem rok lai chung tai bad baki patient tongnai rokno bong condition rok naikha ebong Chini bubagra je pok dimano chung borno saka ebong bongni je phone number brongni address chung abrok ale thai tubuka laptop je nangmani Chini bubagra nainai tai khoroksa Chini bukuk tongo abono chung tawphano identified khaime ko haipano doctor rok जे डक्टरनि नाम्बार बुथुबखौ डक्टर जे बर'नि नकनि बर'बे कन्टाक्ट खायनाय नायमानि जे बर'नि केबो रिलेटिभ इनखोना बिनि कन्टाक्टबो चुंथुखा चुंबो पार्सनल नायनाय आबोनो आसुना
इनके ताबो थिने निनो खुंगो हास्ते हापां तामो
हास्ते हापां ताम वानसो दं आबोथ' सिया चिनि हागोनां बेलाय हागोनां चिनि आं मियाबो जे समायाव सारि खायजिङो चिनि आं सिलचर लामरु नि खोनाखैनो चिनि अनारेबल CEM चिनटिटि एडिसिनि बेलाय हागोनां वानो लगले फोन बाय साहा अबाद फोनो लामा दंफोरखौनो चिनि एडिसिन बुखाक्तैबो जों जे मानसाक गोबानाय चिनि ताखौ देबदासनि नखंगो अबनो जों पक दिखता बर'मा किन्तु हास्ते हापां ताम खायना आबोथ' सुमसिया
Besides, TTADC CEM Purnachandra Jamatia and MDC Deepraj Debbarma promised to help deceased Deepraj family as much as possible. Bureau Report, Chini Khorang.